Okay, here's a couple of, more than a couple of, a bunch of E, G, A, E, G, A, B rhythms just for practice and just to get the bar chord thing going. So I'm doing everything starting with an E alternate shape. Okay, so let's say we go so there's one, and certainly you can speed that up. Okay, here's another one. That was done mostly with down picking. Okay, how about this one? Okay, let's slow that down. A little faster. Okay, now let's extend it up to B. So it'll be E, G, A, B. 2, 3, 4. Okay, how about this? E minor, G, A, but you're going to use E minor alternate. G, A, E minor, G, A. All right, now let's take it up to B from E minor. Okay, let's try it using triplets. Let's start with E minor to G to A. Okay, let's take that in triplets up to B.